Hey everyone, William Miller, National Brand Manager. Really excited to have Matt Tufflemire here. Matt, I know that you're really busy. We're standing outside Big Country.
Yep.
This has been your baby. I know that 2021, you were very intentional with the team to do a lot. Can we talk about why this year is so important for you?
Yeah, definitely. So 2021 was a big deal for Heartland as a whole, just to completely revitalize and refresh and update a lot of different things. And for Big Country specifically, completely updating the exterior of the coach was on the forefront of our decision making. So coming in with a brand new color scheme versus having the old browns and tans, we went with an off-white, which is we're calling Country Stone fiberglass color, with an updated, more aggressive graphics package as well, modernizing that, more straight lines, more straight edges, a lot more wow factor. And the great thing about the color scheme is it goes with a lot of trucks that we're seeing pulling these coaches.
The thing that I recognize right away, the exterior, it has been completely redesigned.
Yeah.
So credit to you and your team for listening to the voice of the customer.
Yeah, thank you.
So Matt, credit to you and your team. The coach looks great. The one thing that can't be seen on camera and was non-negotiable for you for this year was the material that you use on the exterior. Can you tell me what it is and why?
Yeah, definitely. So a great component we have here at Heartland campus-wide on all laminated products is the Azdel composite material we use for the backer of the fiberglass.
Okay.
And the great pitch behind that is it's more sound absorbent. It's less than 1% chance of delamination. It doesn't absorb moisture or mildew or create mildew. So again, just an overall better material to be using, especially when moisture is your biggest enemy in this industry.
Matt, all I can say is I love what you've done with the place. Can you talk a little bit about some of the changes that you have in 2021 here within the interior?
Yeah, definitely. Again, so not only on the outside was it a complete overhaul, but also on the interior of the coach, it was a complete overhaul in sense of color schemes and wood color changes. Again, hearing from the people that more modern, update the whites, the grays. So really playing off of that, we decided and developed a much lighter and brighter unit for the retail customers with the gray wood and the dark flooring throughout, as well as the woven carpet in the slide out. Again, you're not going to have any of that traditional housing carpet. It's just the woven flooring throughout.
So I'm sitting in a heated massage theater seat.
Yep.
Is this going to be a nice option for people in 2021?
No, it's actually going to be standard.
Okay.
Yep.
That's good to know. So along with this being standard in all the floor plans, what other new features have you brought into 2021?
Yeah, so we really wanted to make it easy on the customer to come in and not have to pick and choose what options they have. So we standardized a lot of different things from the theater seating to the tri-fold sofas in every Big Country floor plan. You come over to the entertainment center and we have a 40-inch fireplace that is standard, as well as all big screen TVs in the living room are standard as well.
Now here in the kitchen area, right away, I see a lot of storage. Can you just talk about, again, all the changes you made in this area?
Yeah, definitely. Again, the focal point for Big Country this year was focusing on the kitchen, areas that customers can actually see, feel, touch, all that good stuff. So bringing the focus on the island real quick, one of the big things we did this year is add a 3-inch lip to it. So it's a thicker, beefier look. Clearly you walk into the coach, see it, and it's aesthetically pleasing. We also went with a redesign on the front of the island with shiplap. Again, sticking to that country theme, yet keeping it modern and very showable and good looking. Bringing it over to the appliances in the kitchen area, we went with a full residential size oven with 4 burners, a 30-inch convection microwave, as well as a residential standard size refrigerator with water and ice. So yeah, capturing it full circle, really the overhaul on the entire product from the furniture colors to the hardwood valances, the 3-inch lip on the island, just making it flow from front to back for that customer to get a true residential homey feel.
So Matt, 6'3", 260, I think like 3% body fat. All joking aside, this is a very wide area. Can you kind of talk about this?
Yeah, definitely. Again, listening to the customers, the wider hallways for more space and maneuverability is something we really wanted to focus on. And this specific floor plan, we felt it necessary because we brought the washer-dryer wardrobe out here into the hallway, so you can easily open the door for ease of access, as well as use it as an actual functional closet if necessary.
All right, Matt, we're in the front of the coach. Here we are in the master bedroom. Can you talk about the new features for 2021?
Yeah, definitely. Again, not only carrying that color scheme and more modernization up from front to rear, keeping the shiplap as the headboard in the bedroom, as well as the color scheme up through the coach. But in terms of features, Every Big Country floor plan is going to have a king bed standard with underbed storage. We have integrated side tables for the beds at night, so CPAP holders, cell phone when you're charging it. All good stuff, again, all things customers are asking for. In this specific Big Country 3560 SS, the second fireplace is standard, as well as the 32-inch bedroom TV.
So the last question I have then is, why Big Country?
Yeah, definitely, that's fair. At the end of the day, we feel here at Big Country and Heartland as a whole, we've really listened to the customer and integrated a lot of different things, from the overall look, whether it's inside or outside, to features and options that we feel are going to be a long-term benefit for the customer as a whole. And on top of that, construction quality and building materials that we have focused on and brought to the brands here, it's just going to be a better product that lasts longer over time.